Hey neighbor, Big Ben here with Remax Executives, and welcome to one of Winnipeg's most coveted neighborhoods. That's right, we're here in Tuxedo at 75 Ramsgate Bay. You are gonna absolutely love this 2656 square foot home. It's on piles, triple car garage, and here's the kicker. It's on a pie lot that is nearly 24,000 square feet. That's right, that's like 5 city lots. Let's go take a look. Wow, check out this backyard. It is fantastic. It is full of greenery and foliage. So many great things going on here. Not to mention you've got the sunroom, you've got a large pool with a new pool liner, new heater, new filtration system, you've got a patio, so much green space, so much privacy. You are gonna love this backyard. Well, I guess that'll conclude our tour here at 75 Ramsgate Bay. If you or anyone you know has any questions about this property, or maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below, or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor. You're gonna love what's inside. Let's go take a look. And right behind me, people. And they're really chatty. You know, I gotta say, there's a lot of walkers in this neighborhood. It's like a friendly kind of like feel good, walk your dog kind of area.